In this demonstration, what we want to do is change our right side leg and move it up. As you see, we have a fully defined sketch, and this is the area we're going to want to change. So there's a couple things we can do. The first thing we can do is just try to drag one of the curves up. That does not work with a fully defined sketch. We could try changing some of the dimensions. Again, we're not getting the actual behavior we want because we only want the right side lifted up. So what I want to do is add a dimension to control just the area I want to change. So I dimension where I need to change, and then I select that dimension and drag it up. I'm still not getting the behavior I want. So let's think about other things I can do. One thing I can do is add in the curves I want to move with my design change. So now I drag them up, and I'm still not quite getting what I need. So what you need to think about is when you have stuff selected, what is really going on with the solver? So I look now with my design change, I say, oh, there is some symmetry that exists between the two bottom legs down here. So I will turn off all of the symmetry, and then I will make my design change by dragging it up. And if you notice, I'm still getting the top to move up. Oh, I can add in the other curves. The key here, why the design change didn't work the way we anticipated early on, was the solver will only add the relations to the curves as they are needed for the change. Until I added those curves in with the selection, they were not participating in the change. So therefore, it did not need to find the relations. Thank you.